Okay, today we are going to introduce the Star Wars API. In here we can get request, yes, from database. The Star Wars API is provide us, and there are some films, for example, nested arrays, and this is, and yes, premise I did. Okay, it's listed. I'm sorry, excuse me. It's listed as a in data.results. For example, be careful about that because it's nested array as well. Name and residence is also nested array. Films also nested array, and etc. Okay, what I have done. This is the CTD-Star Wars API. It's written by me. At the first site, in the home page, the peoples are listed in front of us. The listed peoples are in this place. So I have 2, 4, 6, 16 persons I have, and I can visit some homeworld of this person. How I can do that? If you see at the right bottom corner, planet/1, this is the ID of the person, but actually it's not given us ID, but it's given us URL. So we can, I choose the method to splice for that to get the one API. I think it's in here. Yes, I did in here, sliced method. So I choose the home visit, so I can click and can go to directly in here, in that. After that, when I go to characters, movies, I suppose it's films also. There's some films, and 6, I think, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 6 movies we have. For example, A New Hope movie has 18 characters is played in this movie, released and etc. So I want to see the characters who played with them. This is the slow because of that it's nested array, so I can get yes, this is nested array, that's why it's slow. And yes, this is the listed of the persons. And what else I need to tell you? There are some tricks of that. I use it loud as well. And I got planet ID in and out. That's why I use it match and match params, something like that. After that, I use it some use state, use effect. At the beginning, it's loading the planets with this ID. This is the dynamic after that, yes, what else? Yes, I if you remember, I told about the matchings. And I used the Axios as well to get request, to handle the request as well. This is the important part, because to get to resolve nested array, excuse me, I used some empty array. That's the character of the movie. If you remember, there are 16 characters. This also putting the empty array, character array. It's I used the local storage to save the characters. We could use some Redux or context API, yes, context or Redux. However, it's to make persistent data, we need to use some local storage as well. So I didn't want to make it wrong. So I got short path, I think, to choose the local storage, and after that, in the for loop, I pushed the array, empty array. After that, I used use state this array to make it global variable. After then, global variable, I use it in rendering to that one. This is also a header part. The header part is fixed tab and some bootstrap as well. And I think that's it. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.